Okay, right. There you go, right.
Good afternoon, sir. Can we meet in your name, sir?
My name is Sunday.
Why are we here, sir?
I'm here to come and support my people because of some kidnapper that they disturbed them in this so that's why I come to come and support because I need to appreciate Nigeria Army the way we support our people in this state, especially in the DC area. So that's why I come to come and support the Nigerian Army to appreciate them, especially our vigilante people in the record. Because especially our vigilante people in the record. Understand along so that's why I came here to come and support them because I don't want all the kidnapper people to take over our land from us. That's why I came here to come and support them.
Which support do you want the government to support?
I want our government. I need to appreciate our government of our state, the General Secretary, for their support that they give our state, for our vigilante people in Irebodun and Orelope, because it do a lot of support for our people. You understand? So I need to appreciate our government, but we need more support from the government for our people. You understand?
Safety.
All the governor of Southwest, I need all their support. You understand? For our people to make them be happy to know that the government is behind of them. I understand what I'm saying. To empower our local security. You understand? To make them be good.
So, what do you want to say on this Amotekun that they say people should be going online to go and do some registrations?
About the Amotekun of that registration, we want the government to support them because immediately I entered this booth, I'm not happy. You understand? All our farmers run for these people. Leave their tomato, leave their yam, leave their cassava, leave many things. Run for their life. You understand? So we want our government to empower them, to conquer all the kidnapped people, to flush them out in this state, especially in this bush, in this Kisi area.
Your name?
So, my name is Sunday Igboho, Sunday Igboho. Thank you so much.
Thank you.